We'll be ending the session of brief remarks on a high note. I would like to invite Commissioner Lucy Nuno from the Office of the Ombudsman. The floor is yours.
Good morning, everyone. I am delighted to be here today, and this is my second time to participate in Multi-Court. And as a commissioner from the Commission on Administrative Justice, we do resonate very well with this theme, more so because the Commission on Administrative Justice is one of the commissions which are set up under Chapter 15 of our Constitution, and all commissions and independent offices are supposed to protect the sovereignty of the people. And you know about Article 1, where power belongs to the people. We are supposed also to ensure that the Bill of Rights, where Article 43 and all the other rights are enshrined, we are also supposed to ensure that state organs observe democratic values and principles, and we are also supposed to promote constitutionalism. So as an independent commission, I am here stating clearly that the Commission on Administrative Justice is willing and ready to enhance government transparency and accountability in the protection of human rights. How do we do it? As a commission, we are guided by our Act, that is the CAJ Act, which deals primarily with maladministration. If you address maladministration, you are also addressing the issue of transparency and accountability in government offices. We also implement access to information, and like Sarah said, it is about knowledge. It is about information. If Kenyans don't know information, if they do not have information, then they are not able to realize all those rights we are talking about, especially Article 43 on socio-economic justice. Further, this act, which is access to information, it is stated clearly that it is the fundamental act which will help us realize all the other rights. Without access to information, you do not know what you don't know. And as the Bible says, knowledge is key. My people perish because of lack of knowledge. That is what, as a commission, we are saying, that access to information must be enhanced. What have we done? We also implement fair administrative action, and in doing so, we do partner with all the other speakers who are here present, and we do have a forum called Open Government Partnership. This Open Government Partnership, where the Muzalendo South, Article 19, TI, and all the other civil society insist that as you perform all your duties, all government institutions must be bound by Article 10. All those principles which are enshrined in Article 10 must be transparent, must be seen, must be realized by the people of Kenya. Specifically, as the Commission on Administrative Justice, we do insist that all information held by government at the national level and at the county level must be shared with the citizens who have the power. And this information should be given at the right time, that it should be timely, should be accurate, and it should be in a way that can be usable to the people of Kenya. We also insist that states should publicize all information which is required by the citizen. Which is this information which should be publicized? Our Section 5 on ATI clearly states that you must, public institution must proactively disclose information related to their work, related to the function of the institution, related to the promotion of the activities of the institution. They must also disclose how they are protecting their people, how they are also implementing and facilitating the citizen of Kenya through policies, through procedures, and so forth. We also insist as Commission on Administrative Justice that it is important to educate the people, and we do so through partnership with the civil society who have talked before me, and we also advocate that information sought should be given or should be disclosed. And this one we say that all information should be released to the public unless it is limited. We have Section 9 of our ATI Act which remits the information. And as a commission, I am here to say that we will continue collaborating with you, working with all students who may seek information, including information for knowledge. We are also ready to work with all other institutions which may help us to go out there and educate the vulnerables. I want to say that it has not all been smooth sailing. We do have challenges, and some of the challenges we have encountered is the fact that certain information held by government is not able to be released to the public in the right form. And what we have been advocating in that is that the government information should be digitized. And I think that is happening through the current government. We have also been saying that we need public participation in all areas of government, and we also need feedback on that public participation. And finally, I want to say that we do have other institutions which collaborate with us as we deal with accountability and transparency. And these are the Office of the Controller General, the Auditor General, the Attorney General's Office, and Parliament. All these oversight bodies work hand in hand with us to enhance transparency. I therefore want to close there and wish you a good deliberation, and I wish you a good day. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So.